Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 16th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. 4 star Sudoku, 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. And this one, the binary. It's binary time. Alright, binary puzzle number 9446. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. Don't think it will be an hard one. We will see. So, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, there should be an O. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we still have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, there should be an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then we alright. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Then I know between an O and 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order, so we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Well, this one, need to think. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.